Hi Jovan, Mrs. Hewlin here. Today we are going to practice reading and writing the sound T. Get ready to put your tongue behind your front teeth. T, t, t. T, t, t. T, t, t. Should we have a look at some pictures? Tower. T, t, tower. T, t, tower. T, t, train. T, t, train. T, t, train. Teeth. T, t, teeth. T, t, teeth. T, t, tree. T, t, tree. T, t, tree. Watch me draw. Tower. T, tower. T, tower. T, tower. T, tower. T, same. 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 When we see the picture, we say tower. When we see the sound, we say T. Are you ready? Let's see how quick you can be. My gosh, you're so quick at this. Well done. Now let's practice some of our sounds that we have already been learning. Let's get T in the pack. No peeping. There he goes. Are you ready? My gosh, you are quick. I reckon though, you can be way quicker than that. No peeping. Oops, Daisy's falling down. My goodness, so quick. Ready again? Let's get him in the pack. Oh my goodness, you are just amazing at that. Well done, everyone. Do you remember my little friend, Fred? You know, the one who only talks in sounds. Well, he's been having a chat to me today. He said, Mrs. Hewlin, where is my bag? Fred fingers. Bag. 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 Where is my bag? K-ot. 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 Cot. Oh, well done. Done.